What's up? Danny Hayasaka here with Colin Inc. helping people do their business better. Today we're going to talk about the Poly Studio P5 kit. As more and more organizations are transitioning or developing plans for a hybrid work model, regardless of what decision is being made, video conferencing is going to be a part of that equation. And so individual employees will need the ability to access video platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, etc. And so they'll need a webcam and an audio device. And so one of the things that Poly has done was create these Poly Studio P5 kits that include the Poly Studio P5 webcam, as well as a choice of either a corded single ear, a dual ear, as well as a speakerphone and a wireless headset. And so what we're going to do today is kind of look at what you get, because unlike some of the other brands that are out there that are promoting some of their video collaboration kits, basically they take two boxes. They take, the webcam box, they take the headset box, they stick it in one box, and then they ship it over to you. What Poly has done is thoughtfully packaged these two components into a single box, into a single SKU, to make it easy for IT departments and businesses to order and deploy. This way, your employee gets a single box. So let's take a look at this Poly Studio P5 kit with the Voyager 4220 UC headset. All right, so if you look inside, you see that it's, again, all the components are inside the box. You get the headset or the webcam, the P5 webcam, and you get the little BT600 dongle. Take note of where this little dongle is located in the box. They have it like sort of taped up there so it doesn't go anywhere. But again, little dongles are tiny, so beware of where they are, right? And then you get the actual 4220 UC headset. But not only do you get the actual headset by itself, you also get the charging stand. So you have the option to either transport the headset by itself from location to location, or you can utilize the included charging stand as a place to put your headset when you're done for the day, or throughout the day when you're taking breaks. But you see, that's all that comes into this box. And then of course you get this little start here guide, which is basically the web link to their PolyLens software page. And so PolyLens is a single pane that allows you to monitor and manage all the supported Poly devices. You can do this as an enterprise, or you can do this individually with the PolyLens desktop app. And we have plenty of videos that show those apps in action. These kits are absolutely fantastic. Poly Studio P5 kit with the Blackwire 3210. You can get them for only $149.95, and of course that's MSRP. If you're a person that likes to wear a corded dual ear, you have the Poly Studio P5 kit with the Blackwire 3325. Separately, you would be looking at $213.95. In the kit, you're looking at $179.95. Let's say you don't want to wear a headset. Some people don't like to wear headsets. They prefer a speakerphone. And what makes it great with the Sync 20 Plus is that you have that little Bluetooth adapter that you can actually connect P5 webcam. So you can just plug it right in there so you don't suck up more USB ports that are already limited as is. If you were to buy it separately, you're looking at $328.95 for the two. In the kit, you're looking at a price of only $259.95. And then their fourth and final kit is the one that we unboxed here. That's the Poly Studio P5 camera with the Voyager 4220 UC through PolyLens. You have the ability to customize how you want your video settings to be, how you want your audio settings. But anyway, just a quick video to show you these cool kits. Again, I think they're a winner chicken dinner, especially for organizations now that have to sort of develop new standards. The Poly Studio P5 kits, single SKU, single box, and it can be shipped right to your door. If you have any questions about those or you want to learn more, you can contact us. Again, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.